Here's the best nail clipper setup for older adults, 4 picks that solve different trimming problems. Quick answer, Harac is the easy grip default. Easy grip helps with awkward angles, Seki Edge keeps the familiar clipper feel, and Seamind is the blade-free filing route. Nail clipper fits everyone. Choose by grip, angle, nail thickness, and cleanup. For most homes, I'd start with the Harac Adapted Nail Clippers. Buy it if a standard clipper feels too skinny or slippery, because the broader body gives you more ways to hold it, brace it, and press down. That makes it useful for independent clipping, or for a caregiver helping with fingernails and many toenails. The catch is bulk. It's heavier, it doesn't lock closed for neat storage, and clippings can fly. Skip it if very thick toenails are the real fight, or you need a compact travel clipper. If the problem is reaching the nail cleanly, look at the Easy Grip 360-degree rotary clipper. Its move is simple, rotate the cutting head instead of twisting your wrist, hand, or foot into position. It still feels like a lever clipper, so it's best for someone who can press a normal clipper but wants more approach angles. The trade-off is control. The plastic handle isn't as reassuring as a chunkier or metal tool, and the wide curved cutter needs careful placement. Skip it if steadiness or grip strength matters more than angle. For a familiar clipper that just feels more serious, the Seki Edge SS-112 is the traditional pick. Buy it if you don't need an adaptive shape, or you're a caregiver who wants a sturdy stainless steel tool with a cleaner feeling cut. This is the least weird option on the shelf. But that solid feel has a cost. The weight can be tiring if dexterity is limited. Availability and pricing can also jump around, and seller choice matters. Skip it if you need a bigger grip, lighter handling, or zero shopping friction. When clipping itself feels stressful, the Seamind Cordless electric nail file kit makes more sense. Instead of one blade cut, it gradually shortens and smooths, which is helpful for rough edges, post-clip cleanup, or nails you'd rather shape slowly. It isn't the fast route. Filing takes longer, fine dust still needs cleanup, and swapping attachments or direction takes some coordination and hand strength. The kit also doesn't solve storage neatly. Skip it if you want the quickest trim, hate loose pieces, or don't want another small gadget to manage. Quick split. Need a bigger, steadier hold, Harac. Need the head to meet the nail from odd angles, Easy Grip. Want the standard clipper feel, Seki Edge. Want slower shaping instead of a blade cut, Seamind. Before you buy, check the nail problem first. Thick nails need opening space. Limited grip needs handle shape. Awkward feet need angle. Filing needs patience, dust cleanup, and a place to keep attachments together. So if you're unsure, start with Harac, it's the safest everyday grip pick. Go Easy Grip if angle is the bigger nuisance, Seki Edge if you want the classic clipper feel, and Seamind if gradual filing sounds calmer. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine.